How to make money through affiliate marketing. Understanding affiliate marketing. A simple breakdown. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy that allows individuals to earn passive income by promoting products or services from other companies. At its core, it involves partnering with a business to promote their offerings through unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. This model not only benefits the business, but also provides an incredible opportunity for marketers to tap into various online income opportunities.
The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its flexibility and scalability. You can choose from numerous affiliate programs across different niches, allowing you to align promotions with your interests and audience preferences. Whether you're a blogger sharing product reviews or a social media influencer showcasing items in your posts, the potential for generating passive income streams is immense.
In today's digital landscape, where earning money online has become increasingly accessible, understanding how affiliate marketing works can open doors to financial freedom. By leveraging this model effectively, you can create sustainable income while doing what you love, making it an opportunity worth exploring. The benefits of affiliate marketing for generating passive income. Affiliate marketing stands out as a powerful avenue for generating passive income, and its benefits are hard to ignore. Imagine earning money while you sleep. This is not just a dream, but a reality that many successful affiliate marketers experience. By promoting products or services through your unique affiliate links, you can create an income stream that continues to flow even when you're not actively working.
One of the most compelling aspects of affiliate marketing is the low startup costs involved.
Unlike traditional businesses that require hefty investments in inventory and overhead, affiliate marketing allows you to start with minimal financial commitment. This accessibility means that anyone can dive in and begin their journey toward financial independence through affiliate marketing. Moreover, the scalability of this model is unmatched. As you grow your audience and refine your strategies, there's virtually no limit to how much you can earn. You can expand your reach by promoting multiple products across various platforms, whether it's through blogs, social media, or email newsletters, allowing your passive income potential to soar. In summary, if you're looking for a way to achieve financial freedom with minimal risk and maximum scalability, affiliate marketing may be the perfect solution for you. How to get started with affiliate marketing. A step-by-step approach. Getting started with affiliate marketing can seem daunting, but with a clear step-by-step approach, anyone can dive in and start earning.
This beginner's guide to affiliate marketing will walk you through the essential steps to set you on the path to success.
First, understanding how to start affiliate marketing begins with choosing a niche. Select an area that not only interests you but also has a viable market. Research potential niches by examining trends, audience needs, and competition levels. A well-chosen niche lays the foundation for your future efforts. Next, focus on building an audience. This is crucial for your affiliate marketing success. Utilize social media platforms, blogs, or email newsletters to connect with potential customers who share your interests. Engage them by providing valuable content that addresses their needs and concerns. This will help establish trust and credibility. Finally, once you've built an audience around your chosen niche, it's time to introduce relevant affiliate products or services that resonate with them. By following this structured approach, choosing a niche wisely and building an engaged audience, you'll be well on your way to thriving in the world of affiliate marketing. Selecting the right affiliate programs and products to promote. Selecting the right affiliate programs and products to promote is crucial for your success in affiliate marketing. It is essential to identify the best affiliate programs that not only align with your interests, but also offer high commission products. The right choices can significantly impact your earnings and overall satisfaction. To start, focus on finding profitable niches that resonate with your audience. Research trends and consumer demands to uncover areas with less competition yet high potential for sales. Once you've identified a niche, evaluate various affiliate programs within that space. Look for those offering high commission rates. These are often the most lucrative options available. Product selection strategies play a vital role in this process. Assess the quality of the products you plan to promote. High-quality items lead to satisfied customers and repeat sales. Additionally, consider the reputation of the affiliate program. Reputable companies tend to provide better support and resources for their affiliates. Strategies for effective promotion, driving traffic and conversions. To truly excel in the competitive world of affiliate marketing, implementing robust content marketing strategies is essential. Affiliates must focus on creating valuable, engaging content that not only attracts visitors, but also drives conversions. This begins with understanding your target audience and tailoring your content to meet their needs.
High-quality blog posts, informative videos, and compelling infographics can establish your authority in the niche and encourage trust among potential customers.
Social media promotion is another powerful avenue for affiliates looking to expand their reach. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to share snippets of your content, engage with followers, and drive traffic back to your site. Consistency is key. Regular posting combined with strategic use of hashtags can significantly increase visibility.
Moreover, SEO for affiliate marketers cannot be overlooked. Optimizing your website for search engines ensures that you rank higher in search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you.
Focus on keyword research, on-page optimization, and building backlinks to enhance your site's authority. Lastly, email marketing automation serves as a critical tool for nurturing leads and driving conversions. By segmenting your audience and sending personalized email campaigns based on user behavior or interests, you can effectively guide them through the sales funnel while maintaining engagement over time. By integrating these strategies, content marketing tailored for affiliates, savvy social media promotion tips, effective SEO practices, and email marketing automation, you position yourself not just as an affiliate marketer, but as a trusted resource in your niche. Common challenges in affiliate marketing and how to overcome them. Affiliate marketing offers incredible opportunities for income, but it's not without its challenges. Understanding these affiliate marketing challenges is crucial for success. One of the most common pitfalls in affiliate marketing is the lack of transparency, which can erode trust with your audience. To build trust with your audience, it's essential to disclose your affiliate relationships clearly and authentically, promote products that genuinely align with their interests. Another significant challenge is maintaining compliance with regulations. The landscape of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, and staying updated on legal requirements can be daunting. However, ensuring compliance not only protects you from potential penalties, but also enhances your credibility as a marketer. Regularly reviewing guidelines from organizations like the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, will help you navigate this terrain confidently. By proactively addressing these common challenges, building trust and maintaining compliance, you can create a sustainable and profitable affiliate marketing strategy that resonates with your audience and stands the test of time. So, begin your journey towards financial freedom through affiliate marketing today.